So, it's your guys' favorite, a word problem. Actually, this one isn't too bad. There's minimal work with this one. It's just understanding what it's meaning. So this says a trough solar collector is the length of a mirror in a parabolic shape that focuses radiation from the sun onto the receiver. So if you look, that's the receiver right in the middle. I'll circle that. You can see it. This piece sticking up, that's the receiver, and it says it's located at the focus of the parabola. The cross section of a single trough can be modeled by this equation: x squared equals 3.04y, where x and y are measured in meters. Where is the linear receiver located in this cross section? So we are needing to find the focus, because it's saying the focus is the receiver. So because it's at the focus, and our x term is squared and p is positive, the parabola is opening upward, and the focus, let's see, my pen's not working. There we go. The focus is at h, comma, k plus p at this piece. So our equation is in standard form. You can see this is right here. Our p value is found when we have 4p in our equation, which in this case is 3.04. So we're just going to divide by 4 and solve for p. And p is 0.76. So we can go ahead and take that 0.76 and add it. Now, we don't know what h and k are, but we actually do. If you notice, there's no parentheses and there's no shift for the x and the y. So it's actually, our vertex is at 0, 0, which means our focus is at 0, comma, it's 0 plus 0.76, so it's just 0.76, and that is it right there. So the receiver is 0.76 meters above the vertex, and that's where it's saying where is it located. So 0.76 meters above. The reason why it's above, because it's positive and it's above the vertex. So it's not too bad. This one had minimal work, but you guys will have some word problems in your homework.